My cancer story. Right, yeah. Um, I guess it starts back around my 50th birthday. Colonoscopies were just beginning. They hadn't been studied to find exactly how to use them as a protocol in preventative care. So a few physicians went ahead with the colonoscopy. I was more conservative. I had the Flex Sig. I remember feeling relieved and rather young, and thought I didn't have to think about it for 5 years. The 5 years came and went, 6, 7, and I delayed and delayed until 2005 when my wife scheduled herself for her first colonoscopy. I just said, you know, I need to do this. It was simply out of a fear that I put off getting my follow-up. I didn't want to know. As a doctor, I could sort of pose in that and pretend that I had things under control and nobody would challenge me. When I woke up, my wife, Becky, was at the bedside and she was looking at the pictures that were taken during the colonoscopy, and I remember her looking at the pictures and talking to the nurse and saying, I don't think this is the right patient. And it was me. I had stage 4 colon cancer when I was diagnosed. It had already spread to both of my lungs. I highly suspect it was there and could have been diagnosed early if I would have had my follow-up on time. Now, I had great physicians and they were my advocate. And the diagnosis of cancer did not turn out what I thought it to be what I thought it was going to be. That's the other side of the story. Every person is different and you don't know what your story is going to be. And my story has been so awesome and so much more than I ever would have dreamed. To go into a clinic like Borland-Groover, they connect with you, they know your story. They even ask me questions about my life unrelated to why I was there. There's nothing that deals with fear like that. You need to know you're not alone. I was so fortunate to know Dr. Groover before the clinic was set up. I knew him professionally. I worked with him. And when Dr. Groover and Dr. Borland got together to make this clinic, and I just thought to myself, it's got to be top-notch. I referred patients there. I didn't refer them anywhere else.